Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Praty. You're watching me on Bloom's Branch. So today I'm going to show you this look. Get ready with me. So let's get started. I'm going to start with tying up my hair so that it won't disturb me. And for primer, I'm taking Aroma Magic Aloe Vera Sunscreen Gel with SPF 20. It is a transparent gel, so which gives me nice matte finish and also acts like a sunscreen. And I am taking this concealer palette from MAC, which has 2 color correctors and 4 concealers. Among them I am taking these 2, orange color corrector and the up one is my concealer, my shade. So I'm just mixing both and applying wherever I have dark circles and dark patches. So after that I'm taking this Neutrogena's foundation, which is stays up to 24 hours. So I'm just taking a little bit of that and tapping all over my face. Like small dots, and even the neck. And I'm taking a sponge and spraying it with Forest Essentials rose water, and with that I'm trying to blend this foundation all over my face. Including my neck. You can use normal water too, but I'm using rose water. And for setting this foundation, I'm taking this MAC Studio Fix powder. Just I'm taking a little bit of this powder and just tapping the excess one and applying all over my face so that it won't crease. This is a kajal, colossal kajal from Maybelline. This is 3-in-1 for me. I'll use it for eyebrows as a eyeshadow and a kajal. So for now I'm taking a brush and applying it as a eyebrow setter. And after that I'm again taking with that brush and applying it as my eyeshadow, which gives you that smoky look. Since it is a daytime, I don't want to go overboard. So again I'm applying this pencil as my kajal too. So for mascara, again I'm taking Colossal Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. Which gives you nice length to your eyelashes without any fake. Just I'm applying lip balm to prep my lips for lipstick, and taking some blush and applying it on my cheeks, and finishing that look with MAC lipstick. This is a final look. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please hit on that like button and please do share it with your friends and family. This is Praty signing off.